latest and I'm able on this particular page. It's an end dedicated about here. And go baby, aha, you the authentic news else on Saka, Nene, it's me, Ekoyi. Now, there's this story I want us to discuss. In Persia, they won't come apart. And Nipa Bekana was sent down, and Lord Amoah of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. You see, Meme a Kotoko fan. Everybody knows that Meme a Kotoko fan. But in Kotoko team, there is one player, me who said, Sank Kotoko for protecting her. And Kakrabit is supposed to be in the Blaster Squad team forever and ever. Obi on follow Kotoko team this season. From last season, baby, player Bakwa, where consistent, now bonnie panel, and this player called Lord Amoah. Moria Aziz Ansa, Morio Omo time bano, Ibinya Harris Afful, Ibinya Samuel Inkoom. This is the replica of these players who come woman and Abinya. See him overlapping. See him defending, see him support to attack, see him inverting. This Lord Amoah is a fantastic right back in Ghana football. To me, Mihuni says so far so good. There's no single player in Ghana Premier League who has been better than this particular player, Lord Amoah. But a man for castle, no more chinabo. Hey, I make casting so. Somewhere Lord Amoah, get time and enjoy Lord Amoah. Go and watch Kotoko game of boy against Adriana Football Club. Go and watch Kotoko game of boy against Vision FC. Just weekend, that's Young Apostles. Just weekend, yeah. Hey, I am telling you, your Lord Amoah is exceptional right back. Hey, in your Samuel Inkoom Blasters, Eboboni, in your Harrison Afful Blasters, Ekoboboni, yeah. I am sure this time around, the next player from Kotoko into Blasters team, we need to make sure that Abrante Nekokoboboni and Lord Amoah very humble as well, very calm. But look at the delivery on a ball. Look at the ball possession. The ball dominates. No one never comes and the so support to attack Krampodia. No man does not have a king in front. And I'm very sure Coach Otado area Brandon friend say, "Hey Lord Amoah, Blaster scholar for World Cup." I am hoping this guy will get a consistent performance. I'll pay. So we need consistency. Now Lord Amoah, bonny say yeah. Trust me, Lord will be one of the best players. I think the Blasters in Sabit Maka for the World Cup. And young because Blasters and your local players are. If you go to team normally right back, you know Samuel Inkoom, you know Brentford Harris Afful, Bone ye from Blasters in 2010 World Cup. Now Harrison Afful in 2015 World Cup, when you Harrison Afful, Samuel Inkoom, Bone ye, and tells you quality. War and team where the Musakan. This time around. And Lord Amoah, you see, have time and enjoy Lord Amoah. I am telling you, you will come and give me the uploader. I was in Saka. Lord Amoah is a fantastic player by our standard. I'm not exaggerating. This player is a phenomenal. We're different. Lord Amoah is a fantastic player by our standard. I am hoping that this guy will keep consistent performance. And that's Lord Amoah. Get time and enjoy Lord Amoah. Charlie, I'm telling you, Lord Bobo too much. I've not seen the right backer on Bobo Lord about in Ghana Premier League and Ghana nation as large. And this guy should be in the Blasters team. Yeah, Lord Amoah should be in the Blasters team. About too much. Lord about too much quality. Lord Amoah is a fantastic player. I am not lying. Lord is a fantastic player. Hey, what power for title chain? Lord Amoah deserves to be in the Blasters team. Lord Amoah is fantastic player by our standard. Here's for next update, Macron.